To see what it's done for our team has been really rewarding, to give our team some tools that makes their day better. We're always looking to get 1% better each day, and I think Trainual's skipped us well beyond that, certainly. So AMBS Call Center, we are a 24/7 virtual receptionist company. So we provide telephone answering service, customer service for businesses around the clock. We've actually been doing this since 1932. So we're family owned and operated. We don't outsource. 100% of our folks are right here in the U.S., employed by us. We handle millions and millions of calls each year on behalf of our customers. So making sure that we have a consistent source of truth for educating our team is foundational to what we do for customer success. We're living in fragmented documents like handbook document, this and that. We create training resources, and there was really no source of truth. We had an LMS system that was in play, but it really just beyond its prime in terms of the functionality. Every department would start creating their own training documents, and then we'd have multiple training, and it's out of date, and really not a good way to measure the team's understanding. We were having to manual reminders and Outlook tasks and this, and like check the training in this LMS and go check here. And it was like MacGyver put together our training. It's like, okay, we've got duct tape and paper clips, but the way Trainual approaches the knowledge testing has been a welcome breath of fresh air. The AI co-pilot or companion has been beyond our expectations. This is so helpful. Certain things can be funny and engaging, and it really builds not only the knowledge, but it also builds culture. And I can see that we're really going to be able to lean into it on much more than just a training platform. We can set those reminders to monthly, quarterly, annually. Let's go in and review this as verified or make necessary updates. So, I love that because it's not a set it and forget it for certain things. They do need to be reviewed. Unifying it is great. Being able to tie it all together reduces stress. It's all right there in front of us. To be able to measure and see where people are at, see where they need help, being able to see what questions are getting wrong on the tests and things like that really allows us to focus on providing the attention to help that person succeed faster. I feel like the employee retention of folks that go through Trainual from the beginning will be much longer than somebody that wouldn't have a tool like this. The community has been a great resource as well, and very helpful and supportive, and really just to get ideas of how other people are using it. So it's been well implemented. Not only, from a consistency basis, but it is reducing internal noise. So Trainual solves that problem. It's right there. It's sourcing the links, the information that we need to, in the moment, get the answers we need. Having that easy accountability, it's far less effort to see who needs help, who needs to do things, where are we at? A quick dashboard, super helpful. To see what it's done for our team has been really rewarding, to give our team some tools that makes their day better. We're always looking to get 1% better each day, and I think Trainual's skipped us well beyond that, certainly. It was actually fun to get this thing going for our team just because I knew how helpful and transformational it would be, and it has been. So seeing everybody reap the benefits of it has been rewarding. It's been a lot of fun, a lot of work, but ultimately we're able to provide for our team. It's an amazing resource.